First of all, yes, first of all, your destiny is very bad that you have to go through all these things. And you have to understand that you cannot change your life in just one moment. You have to take the actions towards the changes. So first comes health. You are dying. You are in a condition where you are almost on the deathbed. You are just like you can collapse at any moment. In this moment, what I can give you is life. If I can give you life, then I'm giving it to you. The videos, if you start implementing one by one the things that I have taught you in today's session, that is mouth exhalation and conscious sitting, these two practices, and whatever I have taught in these videos, if you start implementing all of this, for example, as your knees go better, then you should walk at least in your room. If you cannot go anywhere, don't sit on the couch or on the bed just lying like a victim. Start walking with mouth exhalation, and this little change will change everything. Every moment take one step like an ant, climbing on the Mount Everest. How it will go? Every day, one step in the positive direction is going to change something in your life. And after 1 month or so, 30 days or so, when you become better and better, then you can work on your property issue, other things of your life. So at least it will take 6 months to 1 year time to change whatever is in your life, at least from the stuck position. All right. And see, your situation is very complicated because you have made it complicated. I cannot do much in your life right now because you are not paying for me to work on you. It is very much crystal clear. I am working and I am giving you only the energy which the universe allows me to give you, provided you are working on yourself. So if you are not present with me, how can I work with you? I am not a masiha who will give everything to you. So you need to know that I am very practical. I am a businesswoman. I am a practical person who works with anyone when I get the fee for that work. And that is why yes. So right now, your mind is showing you the other things of life. First of all, you work on your health. First, you remain alive. And without health, nothing is important. Even if if you sell the house, you get out of the house, be ready to face the challenges. Get on the streets, live that life, get out of the country, but stay alive. This should be your determination. You can just get out of this house and just sell the house and do everything and be ready to fail. Yes. Beg, borrow or steal, but stay alive. Beg, borrow or steal, but stay alive. This is the advice from me. If your life wants to live in this body, either you die completely, you leave this body, or you fight for your life. This is what I am giving you, the suggestion, the practical suggestion. Going through Kundalini Awakening is the worst thing, and having trauma is the worst thing. We have gone through all the process. I have gone through myself through all the process where I have chosen to leave the matrix. I have done that. I know it is not that difficult. You have just to trust your instinct. So that's all for the session. I cannot guide you much than this. You have already taken more attention of mine earlier also. So have a great day. Bye-bye. Talk to you whenever you connect. Bye. Victimhood is the worst issue in the process of Kundalini Awakening. The story I will share with you because it needs to be told. I struggle to wake up early due to the depression, loss of appetite, tight head. I want to recover. So many problems she has. Housing problems. She lost her mother. Again, 2 days ago, my left leg below the knee is very painful, swollen, along with the muscles inside my head being very painful. So Tom, my family friend, has to take me to emergency at the hospital. Now what happened to the hospital? She was diagnosed with nothing. She doesn't have any fracture, nothing. She is just getting pain symptoms due to the fibromyalgia issues. This means that her brain is not working. She has lots of fear towards life. She wants to die. There are so many things more I will share. I had a knee x-ray, fainted in the hospital when they were trying to take my blood. Then they took it. They gave me fluids which I couldn't finish as my mom's friend had to help me to get home. I had 2 ECGs as my heart rate gets too fast. I'm deeply suffering, feeling constant worry, fear due to so many issues. I get panic attacks and that make me sweat. My Kundalini was free flowing a lot yesterday, making me feel very ungrounded. I'm still not getting the help that I need from the consultant, psychiatrist, and social services to get better. I can have the session, all right. So she is in the worst condition, I will say that, and she will not get help from anyone in the world in the matrix. She has to help herself. Come out of the victimhood and work on yourself. Breathe. Do the breathing practices that I have taught her, that if you can't inhale, then start exhaling and you will see that changes are happening instantly. For example, look at me how I exhale and you will see that at the end of the exhalation, inhalation happen on its own. You try to do this and see the shift in you immediately. I did nothing, but the inhalation happened. Why? If you create space for the life to live in this body, by exhaling out, you are creating space for the life energy to come in and live in this body. Till the time you are inhaling fresh air, prana is going into your body, your life energy is going into the body, the cosmic prana enters your body, you are not going to die. But if you stop this practice of exhalation, you are definitely going to die. So my advice to you is, even if you are in the worst condition like her, you can still be hopeful by practicing exhalation. Exhalation has that power. Mouth exhalation, do it with full force and keep exhaling till all the stale air from your lungs, from your belly gets out of your system. And then fresh air will come inside and that will create the difference in your life. So yes, destiny has certain defects. You have created bad karmas, you suffer. And now some more things I would like to share. I would like to become well, fearless and strong as an empowered woman like you. I enjoy listening to you, your YouTube videos and seeing your strength as it encourages me. Everything is good about it, but one thing is not good. Nobody can become empowered woman like me because first of all, I am not a woman. For your mind, I am saying this fact. I am in the female body. I have been saying this so many times that I am in the female body, but I am the superpower with the power of the universe. I am the guru, and guru is not a female or a woman. A woman cannot be empowered ever. That is the problem with women. Women are victims, and that is why you suffer. I am powerful because I am not a woman. I am not carrying the victimhood. I left the matrix at my strength, at my willpower, with my courage, boldness. And I have left the matrix a decade ago and let them suffer, whoever was part of the matrix. And I am free, powerful, happiest in the world. I am the Sanju frequency which radiates with extreme joy, peace and bliss every moment. Can you live life like me? Not possible. It will take millions of years of sadhanas, practices that I have been doing for the past so many decades. You can't even guess my age because you will never. I am ageless. I am the power. I am the Shakti. I am the Shiva. I am the pure consciousness. I am the life frequency. Where are you wasting your life? Just go and have a check, reality check of the vasanas, vikaras and the lower energies that you carry. And you want to become like me. What investment you have done in your life? I have invested everything into making this life frequency the most powerful. And that is why I am here and you are there suffering. The universe has punished you. And so you are bearing the consequences of it. So bear it. Bear it fully. the punishment of all the wrong deeds. You are a consumer, not the creator. I am the creator. I am the creator of my life. First of all, this life that I am living right now with powers. What are you doing? So this frequency needs to be lived. It cannot be imagined or dreamed. Can you do the things that I have done? No, you cannot. You have lots of desires, you have lots of greed, you have lots of lower energies. Can you purify yourself to the extent I have purified myself? No, you cannot do it. You are burdened by your own victimhood. So stop imagining or dreaming that you can become like me. You will never be. Don't even think about becoming like me. First become like yourself. You are a donkey and you want to become a lion. Not possible. You have been made donkey by the universe because the universe has the intelligence to make you a donkey. And you want to become a lion. How come? I am the lion. How come you become a lion? The donkey is an idiot. The donkey's brain doesn't function and so is yours. Your brain doesn't function. You are schizophrenic. All those mental patients out there, I am addressing it to you. This case is just an example, but it is all about you. You are addicted. You are victim. You don't take any actions to change your life. You are a consumer. You have all the addictions of all the kind, eat all kinds of food. You are living in the worst condition because you have greed towards all the benefits that the matrix gives you and you want to live life like me. I'm laughing and I keep on laughing at your foolishness that a donkey dreams of becoming a lion. Ha ha ha. You cannot. So don't ever think in your dreams that you can become like me. No one can become like the Guru. The Guru has been made by the universe. The Sanju frequency has been made by the universe for a reason. And that reason is very clear. She deserves it. I deserve that state of power. I am the highest power holder. And that is why I become powerful every moment. And that power reaches you. Even if you don't do anything, you still experience my power. She was telling that she experienced some healing energies from me, which I didn't do anything. The moment you get connected to my energy field, to my quantum field, things start happening, and that is my power. So, that was my power expression. Have a great day. Bye-bye and thank you.